So lately I've been trying to like get back on track with everything, including my health and my fitness journey and everything. So I'm gonna take a shot of wheatgrass powder, and then I'm also gonna sip on some sarsaparilla tea this morning. And the sarsaparilla I mainly drink for iron, and that is very important for immunity. And then I'm also gonna take some wheatgrass powder. So I'm just gonna mix this with some water. And the wheatgrass powder is good for so many things. This is just to help me like kick off my day with something green, just in case like I'm not able to get like greens in throughout the day. I'm just about to literally just chug this, and this also really helps me with going to the bathroom. Like, I be so regular when I make sure I have my greens. So if you're struggling in that area at all, make sure you get you some wheatgrass powder or like some type of green powder, and just try and chug it on an empty stomach. All right, y'all, so I just got back from the gym. I'm about to try Daily Harvest for the first time for breakfast. I have their passion fruit and pineapple smoothie. I'm gonna make this one for my boyfriend, and then I'm gonna make the mint cacao smoothie for myself. And then this is supposed to be like a grit type thing. So me and him are probably gonna like just share this alongside our smoothies. So yeah, I had these smoothie things in the freezer. I had everything in the freezer. I don't know if it's supposed to be in the freezer or in the fridge, but it seems like really, really frozen. So I'm just gonna let it defrost. This is the passion papaya smoothie. It's not sweet enough for me, but it tastes delicious. I can definitely taste like the passion fruit and the pineapple. I just realized it has soursop. I think these smoothies are like too small for my liking, because I can drink this. It's just a little tablespoon of agave. Perfect. Shit. This is the mint chocolate chip one. It's good, I like it. It's gonna need a little agave though. I'm sorry. It's gonna need a little teaspoon, because without it, it literally just tastes like plants. But I don't think they put anything sweet in these other than banana. I have the cashew, or no, the spinach shiitake grits on the stove, and I'm like looking at the ingredients, and I'm very impressed. Like, it's organic millet, cauliflower, spinach. Like, I like seeing an ingredient list that I can actually understand. So this is dope. I'm really excited. I hope it tastes good. If you can get past the visual, if you could smell this right now, like, it smells amazing. So I'm just saying, for people who, you know, can't get past the look of things, I think that this is probably finna bust. So let's see. It tastes good. It really tastes good. I will buy this again, or I would try and make this. Very flavorful. I ain't mad at this at all. So these are the two flatbreads. I'm about to cut them and split them in half so me and my boyfriend can share them. But this is what it looks like straight out the oven. So I also just realized that I have this soup. So we're gonna try this. It says, why does it say chilled soup? I'm supposed to eat this cold? I thought this was a warm soup, but it says enjoy chilled. So we're gonna see. I've never had a chilled soup in my entire life, but this is what it looks like. It smells good. It says that you're supposed to add hot water and then blend it. I'm so fucking hungry, like words do not explain how hungry I am right now. So this is the chilled soup that I had no idea was chilled. It's not bad. It tastes very like smooth. It definitely has like a lemon undertone. I think there's peach in here too. It's good. Now, here's the flatbreads. This is the mushroom one. I'll put the names on the screen. This is good. This is hella good. I love this. I knew these were gonna be bomb. Now, the spinach and artichoke. I like the mushroom one better, but they both taste really good. Overall, I give this an 8 out of 10. This is really like the mushroom one. I like this. I'm gonna order this again for sure. I feel like their food is perfect for weight loss, like perfect for someone who's trying to eat clean, plant-based, and like want to have like a snack in between. Like this is just so convenient. I don't have to think about what I'm gonna prepare or making things from scratch. Like you would literally have to make this from scratch if you didn't get it from Daily Harvest. And this is my honest review. Like this is not paid. Trust that like I'm putting y'all on to what I really believe. And I think that this is like a good solution for someone who is busy, for someone who really wants to eat clean, really wants to lose weight and improve their health. Like I'm going to be ordering again. So I was going to make the chia seed pudding this morning, but I realized that it has to sit overnight in the fridge. So I decided to whip up some pancakes, and these turned out lovely. It's lunchtime. I'm gonna make this. It says to add this to the stovetop with water. I know I look crazy. Do not judge me, but we won't judge a book by its cover. It really looked like mush, y'all. Like, and I know a lot of people who aren't into eating healthy are like very picky. So this is kind of like one of those things where like I'm cool with trying it, but I know like people that aren't into the plant-based lifestyle will look at this and probably be like, ew. Don't mind the backdrop on the wall, but let's see. Huh. Hard as hell. I think I like it. It does have lots of flavor, which I like. The broccoli really like helps give it some texture so it's not just mushy. It doesn't give me cheesy broccoli vibes though. It gives me like, I don't know, but I usually don't lay down and eat, but this was a good spot for right now. So I'm about to go eat this, get some work done. This is the overnight oats. Or no, it's the chia seed pudding. It's vanilla, fig, and apple, I think. I'll put everything that's in here in the video, but it looks good. So we're back again on my couch. I'm low-key hungry. This, I am not buying this again. It tastes exactly like what's in here, and I don't like the texture. I probably won't get this again. I'd much rather just have like an overnight oats. All right, y'all, so it is 7:32. This is the last item I have in my daily harvest box. It is green chickpeas. I've never had green chickpeas ever. I eat a lot of chickpeas as a vegan, but I've never had green ones. So we're gonna see how this tastes. All I'm saying is, if this busts, this all I'm gonna eat, like, I'm gonna need a second bowl. Like, am I being greedy, y'all? Let me know in the comments if I'm being greedy. Overall, I really like the concept of daily harvest. I would say the only thing that I wish could be like modified for my greedy ass is the portion sizes. I'm definitely gonna order from Daily Harvest again. I love that smoothie, and I loved the flatbreads. Those are two items I'm definitely gonna get again. I do feel like their company as a whole is very, very weight loss friendly, and I would recommend it to anyone on a weight loss journey. And because I'm still trying to lose weight, I am definitely gonna invest more money in their company, because I think that their meals can help me on my weight loss journey and help me with my portion sizes. But for things like smoothies, I really don't have a limit. When it comes to like the unhealthier meals, I definitely like limit myself to a certain portion. But because their meals are like so healthy, I could really eat like double and probably still get away with a successful weight loss. And for someone who is on the go and doesn't have time to prepare clean, healthy meals, like, this company should be your go-to. All right, let's try, y'all. I like this. I will buy this again. Anything like coconut milk curry, I'll be down for it. And I like the fact that the chickpeas are green. It just makes it like more fun. This is a delicious little soup. I like this. I've never cooked with parsnips before, so like, this is one of the things that I always talk about is like, if you don't know how to cook a certain food or a certain vegetable, or you don't know how to incorporate it into your diet, like, this is a fun way that you could try it. Like, I don't really cook with parsnips, or however you pronounce it. I don't really cook with that vegetable, so this is an easy way that I can try it, get accustomed to it and its flavor and its texture, and then I can eventually incorporate it into my diet when I'm ready. So I'm going to go finish this delicious bowl of soup. I appreciate all of you guys watching. If you gained any value from this video, please let me know in the comments. Excuse me in my robe. Y'all are getting me in my natural state, but this is how it is, this YouTube life. I'm realizing that everything can't be planned and perfect every single video. I hope y'all can appreciate the authenticity, and yeah, I appreciate all of you guys. Peace and love.